The Path to Financial Freedom. Master Money, Saving, Investing, and Business. Lecture 7. How to Increase Income Without Working More Hours. Module 2. Mastering Money Management. Most people believe that the only way to earn more is to work longer hours. But what if I told you that increasing your income doesn't have to mean more work? The secret lies in building income streams that grow without needing constant effort. Passive income is one of the most powerful tools for financial success. It allows you to make money even while you sleep. This can come from investments, real estate, digital products, or royalties from work you've already done. Another great strategy is leveraging what you already have. You can turn your skills into online courses, write eBooks, or create templates that people can buy. If you own assets like property, cars, or equipment, renting them out can generate extra income. Even licensing creative work, like photos, music, or designs, can bring in earnings over time. Did you know? Most millionaires don't rely on a single paycheck. They have multiple income streams. From investments to side businesses, they make money even when they sleep. Relying only on active income, trading time for money, limits your financial growth. But with passive income sources, you can earn more without working extra hours. Many people have hidden income potential they've never explored, skills, assets, and ideas that could generate extra cash. The key is learning how to leverage them effectively. The biggest mistake people make is relying only on active income, trading their time for money. But time is limited. Instead, successful people focus on scalable and automated income streams that keep growing with minimal effort. The key to increasing your income without working more is simple. Build multiple income sources, automate where possible, and let your money work for you. In this course, I'll show you exactly how to make it happen.
If you enjoyed this video, show some support by hitting like, tapping the bell, and subscribing so you never miss our latest content on financial freedom and wealth growth. Let's grow together. Your one click makes a big impact and helps us create even more for you.